You can probably get a rough idea of the sort of lifts this building once had, but alas, no longer the case. Interesting call button placement. And it's called a lift all the way over here. These are OTIS, of course. Oh, we can go to 1 and that's it. Yep, still calling this one. I think these are Gen 2s actually. Interesting that the indicator mentions a ground floor, but there's no button for it. Now, interestingly enough, this is the bottom floor, but you'll notice there's a down button. The down direction applies only to this car here, which you're about to see. Which you'll notice has 2 doors instead of 1. And you notice that this one also says that mysterious ground floor. So we go down the street, you'll see it exits down here at the street level. This is providing disabled access to up to 1. Oh shit, it's been called. So we better get out at 1 because the lift has been called.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.